Welcome to our in-depth review of the ProtoArc Backlit Bluetooth Ergonomic Keyboard. This full-size wireless split keyboard is designed for ultimate comfort and productivity while reducing wrist and forearm strain through its unique curved split frame design. In today's review, we will explore its impressive features, discuss real-life user experiences, and compare it with similar products in the market to help you decide if it's the right fit for your workspace. Starting with the design, the keyboard's full-size ergonomic comfort is one of its standout features. The thoughtfully scooped keys are contoured to fit your fingertips perfectly, making typing a natural and effortless experience. The keyboard comes with a 54% enhanced cushioned wrist rest that reduces fatigue, and 4 adjustable tilt feet that let you choose from 3 different angles whether you're sitting or standing. It is important to note that while the ergonomic design can significantly boost your productivity, the keyboard may take up a bit of desk space. Checking dimensions before purchase is advisable. The product's adjustable backlighting is another key aspect of this keyboard. With soft white LED lights and 3 adjustable brightness levels, the backlight adapts to different lighting conditions while minimizing eye strain. The system is designed to conserve power by turning off after 1 minute of inactivity or entering deep sleep mode after 60 minutes, making it efficient for extended use. Another feature that sets this keyboard apart is the seamless multi-device connectivity. With integrated Bluetooth and 2.4G USB, you can pair it with up to 3 devices simultaneously and easily switch between your laptop, tablet, and desktop. However, it is important to mention that in 2.4G mode, functionality can be limited for macOS iOS users, urging you to switch to Bluetooth mode for full feature availability. User feedback in real-life scenarios has been largely positive. The keyboard's outline and backlit features make it a delightful tool for both work and entertainment. Charging is hassle-free, with the USB-C fast charging and long-lasting 2000 mAh battery, ensuring that you can type away for hours without worrying about battery life. That said, the initial adjustment period might feel a bit challenging as you get used to the new layout and features. When compared to similar products in the market, the ProtoArc keyboard offers a balanced combination of ergonomic design and connectivity options. It stands out particularly for users who are keen on reducing muscle pressure and improving posture. For the best experience, ensure you follow the charging guidelines and switch between connection modes based on your requirements. Overall, our impression of the ProtoArc Backlit Bluetooth Ergonomic Keyboard is highly favorable, especially for professionals and avid typists who value comfort and functionality. Thank you for listening, and we hope this review helps you make an informed decision. Greetings to all our viewers, and happy typing.